Beautiful day, it's Lana here on Owen Finance, your gateway to smarter investments, sharper financial insights, and the ever-evolving world of crypto. Ready to level up your financial game? Let's dive in. In the late 1970s, when the world was witnessing a rapid evolution in technology, one man was quietly transforming an everyday household item into a symbol of innovation. This man was James Dyson, and the product was the vacuum cleaner. But Dyson's story is not just about a vacuum cleaner. It's a tale of perseverance, ingenuity, and a relentless pursuit of better solutions. This is the history of Dyson. Our story begins in 1978 in a small workshop in Wiltshire, England. James Dyson, an engineer with an eye for innovation, was frustrated. He had recently purchased a top-of-the-line vacuum cleaner, only to find that its performance rapidly deteriorated as the dust bag filled up. Most people would have simply bought a new vacuum or accepted this as a minor inconvenience. But not Dyson. He saw an opportunity to improve a product that had remained largely unchanged for decades. The inspiration for Dyson's breakthrough came from an unlikely source, a sawmill. While visiting a local sawmill, Dyson noticed how the cyclone technology used to separate particles from the air in the mill's system kept it from clogging. This observation sparked an idea. What if a similar technology could be applied to vacuum cleaners to prevent them from losing suction? Thus began a 5-year journey of experimentation and determination. Dyson created 5,127 prototypes before he finally developed the first bagless vacuum cleaner that maintained constant suction, the G-Force. It was a groundbreaking invention, but the journey was far from over. Dyson faced rejection after rejection as he tried to bring his product to market. Established vacuum manufacturers, fearing that a bagless vacuum would cannibalize their lucrative sales of replacement bags, turned him away. Yet, Dyson's resolve never wavered. In 1983, Dyson took a bold step. Unable to find a licensee for his technology, he decided to take matters into his own hands. He founded Dyson Ltd. and began producing and selling the G-Force in Japan, where it won a prestigious design prize. The Japanese market, known for its appreciation of innovative technology, provided the initial success Dyson needed to fund further development and enter other markets. By the early 1990s, Dyson had perfected his design and was ready to take on the world. In 1993, he opened a research center and factory in Malmesbury, Wiltshire, and launched the Dyson DC-01, the first vacuum cleaner to feature dual cyclone technology. It was an immediate success in the UK, quickly capturing a significant share of the market. Consumers were drawn to its distinctive design and the promise of no loss of suction, a feature prominently highlighted in Dyson's marketing. Speaking of marketing, Dyson's approach was as innovative as his products. The company positioned itself as a challenger brand, emphasizing the flaws of traditional vacuum cleaners and the superiority of Dyson's technology. The now iconic slogan, "Say goodbye to the bag," was both a literal and symbolic statement, signaling Dyson's departure from conventional thinking. As Dyson expanded its product line, innovation remained at the core of its philosophy. The company introduced a range of vacuums with unique features, such as the DC-02, the first cylinder vacuum with dual cyclone technology, and the DC-04, which offered advanced filtration for allergy sufferers. Each new model incorporated feedback from users and further refined the technology. The early 2000s marked a period of rapid growth and diversification for Dyson. The company began to explore new product categories, applying its expertise in airflow and motor technology to create bladeless fans, hand dryers, and hair dryers. These products, like the vacuums before them, were designed to solve common problems in unconventional ways. For instance, the Dyson Airblade hand dryer was developed to address the inefficiency and environmental impact of traditional hand dryers and paper towels. Its powerful airflow dries hands in seconds and uses less energy, making it both effective and eco-friendly. In the realm of fans and air purifiers, Dyson's air multiplier technology became a game-changer. Launched in 2009, the bladeless fan not only provided a safer and quieter alternative to traditional fans, but also became a design icon. The sleek, futuristic look of Dyson's products helped to cement the brand's image as a leader in innovation and design. Dyson's commitment to innovation is also evident in its approach to research and development. The company invests heavily in R&D, with thousands of engineers and scientists working in state-of-the-art facilities across the globe. Dyson has filed thousands of patents, reflecting the company's dedication to protecting and advancing its technology. As the brand grew, so did its global presence. Dyson expanded into new markets, establishing a strong foothold in North America, Europe, and Asia. The company also entered new product categories, including robotics and lighting. In 2014, Dyson launched its first robotic vacuum cleaner, the Dyson 360i, which featured advanced navigation and powerful suction in a compact design. The company also developed the Dyson Light Cycle, a smart light that adjusts its brightness and color temperature based on the time of day to reduce eye strain and improve well-being. Throughout its history, Dyson has faced numerous challenges, including legal battles, competition from rival brands, and economic downturns. However, the company's focus on innovation and quality has helped it to overcome these obstacles. Dyson has also remained privately owned, allowing it to stay true to its founding vision without the pressure of short-term financial gains. One of the most significant challenges Dyson faced was its decision to shift manufacturing from the UK to Malaysia in the early 2000s. This move sparked controversy as it led to the loss of jobs in the UK. However, Dyson defended the decision by stating that it was necessary to remain competitive in a global market. The cost savings from this move allowed the company to invest more in R&D and continue developing cutting-edge products. Dyson's story is not just about technology and business, it's also about cultural impact. The brand has become synonymous with innovation, inspiring a new generation of engineers and designers. Dyson products are featured in museums and have won numerous design awards, further solidifying their place in popular culture. The company's influence extends beyond its products. James Dyson, as a prominent figure in the world of design and engineering, has used his platform to advocate for education in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM. The James Dyson Foundation, established in 2002, provides funding and resources to support education and innovation, including the annual James Dyson Award, which encourages young inventors to develop solutions to real-world problems. However, Dyson's journey has not been without controversy. In recent years, the company faced criticism for its involvement in Brexit, with James Dyson being a vocal supporter of the UK's departure from the European Union. The decision to move Dyson's headquarters to Singapore in 2019 was also met with scrutiny, with some questioning the company's commitment to the UK. Despite these controversies, Dyson has continued to thrive, remaining a leader in innovation and design. As we look to the future, Dyson shows no signs of slowing down. The company continues to push the boundaries of technology with ambitious plans to develop electric vehicles, artificial intelligence, and advanced robotics. Dyson's commitment to sustainability is also becoming increasingly important, with the company investing in technologies that reduce environmental impact and promote renewable energy. In recent years, Dyson has made significant strides in sustainability, including the development of solid-state batteries, which promise to revolutionize energy storage and reduce the reliance on fossil fuels. The company is also exploring new materials and manufacturing processes to minimize waste and improve efficiency. Looking ahead, Dyson's vision for the future is one of continued innovation and growth. The company aims to double its workforce of engineers and scientists, expand its product line, and enter new markets. With a strong foundation built on decades of innovation, Dyson is well-positioned to tackle the challenges of the 21st century and beyond. In conclusion, the history of Dyson is a story of innovation, perseverance, and a relentless pursuit of better solutions. From humble beginnings in a small workshop to becoming a global leader in technology and design, Dyson's journey is a testament to the power of creativity and determination. As the company continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, one thing is certain: Dyson will remain at the forefront of innovation, inspiring future generations to think differently and never settle for the status quo.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to support us. If you are interested in our premium content, please also visit our Patreon. You can find the link in the description. Thank you, and take care of yourself and your finances.